Magana mashakaine manyitanire na family ya Helen Agitsa Avunga urorare muruti wa wira wa kabuni ya Royal Media Services hedi ya mathiko make kwa umushie Shitungu county ya Kakamega. Aruti ya wira wa kabuni ya Royal Media Services family hamwe na arata nimugathiririe ni undu wake oge ake wira ine orumwe na unyitaniri wake na aruti age a wira a kabuni no ya Royal Media Services igitogore n'umurugamiriri wa aruti ya wira Winrose kana wira Rose Wanjohi.
Bakona na analisi
walikuwa wanasaidiana na Alisi.
Alisi yaturaho.
Alisi wakati hata ilitoka.
Haruno yabe nasinge mukerenge chini.
Yeye ndiye alikuwa amesimama kwa hiyo miguu ya Alisi.
Kuchane nani lisara.
Chenye nahitaji ni maombi.
Ande chimuchangarangu.
Ameniwacha.
I would like to thank you all for coming here in order to let Mom rest in peace. Surely, Mom, I'll never forget the way you always laughed. Your fabulous advices and your correction when I'm wrong made me to be who I am today.
You are telling God, even when things are so hard, you reign. You sit on the throne, O God. And even that which is hidden, you alone knows. And therefore, ours is to surrender. To surrender to this God who has all the answers.
This is a hard time. It's a very difficult time. Even for all the people we are seeing standing here, it's a really difficult time because we do not have answers. And as Penina said, as Ali said, all we can do is ask God to give us direction.
Helen Avunga akwire tariki 26 mweri wa Disemba mwaka uyu tukahwera family yake thayo ide-ini riri moritwo ni umwe wao.